Trends. We're back again talking about trends in this video, but this time for the summers. See, before starting the video, I just want you to imagine this one particular thing. Imagine your wardrobe sending you a postcard. Just imagine this. This is not reality. Just imagine this, right? And in the postcard, you see something like this.
Bruh.
I hope you're not encouraged to wear something like this, so you should understand what are the trends for the season. And for the season, the trends are pretty different because 2026 has shown that fashion this year is not about trying hard. The trends that I will be talking about today is basically boring on paper, but at the same time, if you know how to style them, then it would be one of the most interesting pieces that you could wear. So I just want you to watch the video till the end, and let's start with the 4 upcoming summer trends that you should know about. The very first trend that's coming up this season is cream colored denim. See, I don't know about you, but I am extremely frustrated seeing people around me wear those blue and black colored denim. I'm not offended by it. You can wear it absolutely, but and I am seeing a few people experimenting it in a really good way, right? People are shifting towards off-white and beige colors now. These are the two colors which are practically the color of the year, because cloud is the color of the year. This exact color on the screen, this is the color of the year, and people are shifting on colors around this itself, which is a good thing, right? Now these two are the colors which are very versatile. You can wear these two colors on practically every other occasion. You can wear this to a party, you can wear this to an office, and practically everywhere. Plus, this season is about quite sophistication because people are moving towards those quite luxury aesthetics. So quite sophistication is a thing, and these two colors, all of these two colors that I talked about, are the best ones to go with. Now, light colored denim is all good, but we need to also talk about details. That's when the second pointer or the second trend comes in, and it is t-shirts with chest pockets. Chest pockets on a t-shirt sounds very ridiculous on paper, but the time you wear it, you will understand the difference. I'm a big fan of minimalistic t-shirts and in different colors, right? I'm a big fan of it. But the time you put a chest pocket on a t-shirt, the basic t-shirt gets its character as well as it gets depth to the outfit, right? The whole outfit becomes a bit different. It is the same, but looks a bit different, and it is something that a lot of people have been adapting recently because it is a part of the vintage fashion community. The chest pocket t-shirt is a part of the vintage fashion community, and vintage fashion is coming back. I've already discussed about it, by the way, on the Instagram channel of ours. You can just see the link of it in the description as well as on the screen right now. So this is something that has become popular. You can style it with some workwear outfits and it would look extremely good. Because we have talked about luxury now, it is very important that I bring up this third upcoming trend for the summers, and it is wearing formal shirts very casually. See, last year luxury fashion gave birth to this aesthetic called corporate core, and this year this corporate core has turned into a different space, right? Corporate core has become very casual. Now people are styling formal shirts in a very casual way. All the shirts like striped shirts, Oxford shirts, pop-in shirts, they're trying to wear these shirts in a very casual way. Now what kind of a casual way? They are wearing unbuttoned shirt, they are wearing unpressed shirts, they are wearing shirts which are buttoned in a different way. They are wearing just not wearing it in the most conventional way, right? Now why are they doing it? See, there is this thing in fashion that modern fashion loves tension. It doesn't like things to be in a conventional way. So people are wearing it and they're liking it somewhat. It is all over Pinterest, it is all over the internet, and if you want to try it, it's the high time. And the coming summer, because you don't have anything more to style for the summers, so this could be one of the best ways to go in. Now we've eventually reached the end of the video, and it would be particularly bad if I don't talk about shorts in this video, because summer is more about shorts. Everyone wears shorts. So the fourth upcoming trends on this list or for the summers are So that was it for the video. I hope you did like it. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you didn't like it, hit the dislike button and let us know in the comment section below why you liked it or why you didn't like it. We post our videos on 5th, 10th, 15th, 20th, 25th and on 30th. You can come on all of those days and watch our videos. Plus, we are also available on Instagram. As I mentioned previously, we post really interesting stuff on there too. You can subscribe to the channel if you liked our content very precisely. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and have a great night or day or whenever you're watching the video. Bye bye.